Every year, billions of tons of agricultural waste are left to rot in banana plantations worldwide. But hidden inside these discarded stems lies a remarkably strong, naturally superabsorbent fiber. Today, we step inside a groundbreaking green factory to see how raw banana plant waste is forged by modern engineering into premium eco-friendly sanitary pads. Harvesting and raw material splitting. The production chain begins right on the farm. Once a banana tree fruits, its stem becomes useless to the farmer. Workers harvest these heavy pseudostems, slicing them open manually to expose the dense, moisture-rich layers hidden inside. This raw biomass is then loaded onto transport trucks, destined for the processing plant. At the factory, the heavy stems enter the decorticator, a brutal mechanical crushing machine. Powerful steel rollers compress the pulp, stripping away the outer green skin and watery residue. What emerges from the crushing gears are long, golden strands of pure, high-tensile banana fiber.
Keep it steady, that's good. More from the pile.
To be safe for intimate care, the raw fibers must be perfectly purified. The golden strands are submerged in large industrial washing vats. Through a non-toxic bleaching process, all plant sugars, impurities, and natural pigments are completely stripped away, transforming the rough material into a soft, snow-white mass. Once dried, the purified fibers undergo carding. Mechanical wire-toothed drums comb and fluff the material, breaking down the tough strands into a cloud-like, super soft cellulose mass. This natural fluff is incredibly absorbent, outperforming standard wood pulp and plastics while remaining completely biodegradable. Now, the real automation kicks in. The banana fluff sheet is layered between a breathable cornstarch-based waterproof backing and a soft organic top sheet. A high-speed rotary die press stamps out the classic contoured shape of the sanitary pad, sealing the edges instantly at a rate of hundreds of units per minute. Hygiene is paramount. The freshly stamped pads pass through an enclosed, sterile tunnel under high-definition optical sensors and laser grids. The system instantly detects and ejects any pad with a microscopic flaw, a speck of dust, or an uneven seal, ensuring only absolute perfection advances. Approved pads are automatically folded, wrapped in individual biodegradable film, and boxed. Giant robotic arms lift and stack the cartons onto shipping pallets. These eco-friendly packages are shipped out to global markets, replacing traditional plastic alternatives with sustainable innovation. And here is the ultimate payoff: a premium, comfortable product that empowers women while completely regenerating the planet. By converting agricultural waste into a high-performance necessity, modern engineering has closed the loop, turning an environmental burden into pure, everyday satisfaction.